Hi. So for a change, all my videos will not be focusing on me. So this is my dad's room. We had it redecorated. And there's my Porky Pig. So anyway, I'm gonna talk about mood swings. Lately, I've been feeling a roller coaster of emotions. A roller coaster because I'm not sure what I'm feeling, but it's there. It's somehow there. And I don't know if it's connected, but I'm feeling pain all over. I have pain on my foot. I have pain on my legs. I have pain on my hands. And I have headaches. So it's really hard to pinpoint which and where exactly is the pain coming from. Meron ba kayong ganong experience? Like, when people ask you, how are you feeling? And you're gonna say, I'm sore. I'm sore all over. Do you ever have that? Do you ever feel that? Sabihin niyo naman sa akin. Share niyo naman kung ano yung na-experience niyo kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng mood swings. Or yung ganyang mood overload. Yun lang.